This is a VIRTUS SG600 unit, where it has a shredder on the top, a granulator on the bottom. You can change the screen sizes of your shredder. You can go 15, 20, 25, 30 millimeter, 40 millimeter, whatever you need up there. And same thing on the bottom. You can go 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 millimeters on your bottom. These are the samples you provided to us. So we'll run these through the system. I have no problem with these samples. Just a little walk around of the unit. You have SEW gearboxes and SEW motors on the unit. You have a hydraulic pack, which runs the hydraulic unit, which is pushing the ram and the material towards the rotor, and an integrated blower system, which when we process it, that's where your materials are going to end up. And then a control panel. The control panel is very simple. It's you turn on the blower, walk to the granulator, walk to the hydraulic unit, the shredder, and then a conveyor. We don't have a conveyor on it because it's our lab unit. And then to turn it off, you just go the opposite direction. So it's fairly simple to run. We have amp meters for the granulator and the shredder and an hour meter on it. And then the blue light here, this is a safety check, which basically these are to stay solid blue. It goes around the unit and tests all the safeties to make sure they're in proper position. If they're not, this let it flash or won't even come on, and then it won't allow you to energize any of your motors on the unit. Ready, Paul, to load a unit? This will be our first purge. Two more pieces. I'm going to show you the inside. Put the other two in, there's no problems. There's your shredder, it's running some volume through it. Granulator is easy going. Your material looks good, we'll just continue to run this process.
have no problem processing your material. Here's your material. There's no heat in it. You don't have hardly any dust. Some fines here and there, but not much. So we'll continue to run your material, and then we'll send you the sample back.
Here's your material. It took roughly 9 minutes to process all that. Your processing will go a little bit faster because as it runs down, there's less material in the shredder. Your throughput drops. So by keeping a lot of material in the shredder, actually improves throughput on it. Your box said this was 34 pounds. We didn't weigh it, but I'm just assuming the UPS label was correct. So we processed 34 pounds in 9 minutes. And so here's your material. We used a 8mm, oh, no heat at all on this stuff. We used an 8mm screen on this, and it turned out great. I mean, just look at that. Really, really nice material. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bag this up, and then we'll send it out to you for your review.